Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2010 Can-Am SPYDER RS SE5 with 7,219 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a K&N air filter, K&N passenger backrest, aftermarket windshield, and a windshield visor. The SPYDER offers motorcycle thrills on the stability of 3 wheels, standing apart in a class of its own. Powered by a 998cc V-twin engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 80 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 29-inch seat height and a dry weight of 698 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.